Hello there, you wonderful person. I am Gareth Mason. It is Wednesday, October 10th. No, October 8th. October 8th, 2025. Oh, and it's exactly, I don't know exactly what time it is. 7:07 something. I'm getting messages on my watch. Yeah. What is on my mind? The fact that I'm tired. The fact that I love to walk. Yeah, let's talk about that. I really love to walk, man. It's raining right now, as you can see. It was raining a lot harder before when I came to work. And me dressed as I am, like I was fine, man. This jacket is amazing. And I actually got a change of clothes in my backpack, which, by the way, was an amazing investment as well, because it's waterproof, so I don't have to worry about getting none of my things wet inside. Oh, I'm supposed to. Yeah, I'm going to the supermarket. I'm on my way to the supermarket, so we can have some stroganoff today. Stroganoff coffee. Yeah, I love walking. I felt great about it. You know, yesterday I didn't walk to school, to work, no, to school. I got Allan had to do the exam, so we were with Uber, and then it's like, oh sure, I'll go with, even though I enjoy walking. Today I said no, I don't want an Uber. I'm ready to go. Let me walk. So I did. It's great. Of course, it's more tiring, but it's great. What else is on my mind? Hollow Knight, streaming in general. That's on my mind. Yo, I got away from this fucking. This street is not supposed to be loud. Come on. Well, that's the reality of vlogging while walking on the street. Sometimes it's gonna be very loud because of cars. Oh well, right? I'll just speak a little louder. Anyways, streaming and Hollow Knight and streaming in general. I've been watching my own streams. Hollow Knight is such a beautiful game. Like, it's amazing to play. It's got a great gameplay, but it's such a beautiful game. And as you're playing it, you're not paying as much attention to it, you know, because you're more concerned about the moving from point A to point B without getting killed, accomplishing objectives. That's what you're concerned. So you don't take time to appreciate the view and the style of the game as much as when you're just watching it. So yeah, I really like the quality of the audio with my microphone. Leave me alone, bus! Leave me alone! This bus is following me. It's purposefully going slowly so that it's annoying me. Yeah, I really enjoy it. Really enjoy it. And I feel like I'm getting close to the end of my Rome 2 Total War playthrough. I got all the specific settlements. What's the name when it's like the multiple settlements? I don't remember. Peninsula? It's not a peninsula. The Fool? It's like sometimes it's 3 settlements, sometimes it's 2. Like Magna Graecia, that is a Italia, that is a Dogs are not happy today. The dogs are not happy at all. Anyways, yeah, getting close to it. I got all the settlements. Thanks to my military allies. And the only thing I need now is to have 90,000 whatever money it is, denaries or whatever coin they used back in the day. 90,000 per turn. That's a lot of money, man. So I'm just clicking and turn and building and managing some buildings in order to have more money. More mining industries and stuff. So yeah, that game is so good. I really enjoy everything. What I don't enjoy so much is the political aspect. It's complex. Like, I feel like there's a full game there that I haven't taken advantage of. Probably because I'm playing on normal difficulty, not on hard difficulty. Maybe hard difficulty forces you to take more advantages of these systems, the political systems, so that the other parties don't rebel against you. What happened? Yeah, so the other parties don't overtake you. Civil war. I've had civil war happen, and it comes out of nowhere. If you're not paying attention, which most people are not going to be paying attention. So that's that. I searched. I asked ChatGPT about. Well, I do want to talk about ChatGPT as well. I asked GPT about what's the Total War game that's considered the most fun, the most playable, or replayable, and like it talked about Warhammer and stuff, and that's all nice, but I prefer real life, Earth, and it said that Three Kingdoms is regarded as one of the most fun games, one of the better games. So I'm planning on watching some playthroughs of it to see how fun it is. I got into Total War by watching Demo 2986, and he did a playthrough of that game. I think it's Three Kingdoms. It's the one that is only on Great Britain. So yeah, that's what's on my mind. Also considering maybe I'll do a playthrough on a live stream. Do a playthrough of Rome 2 on a live stream. That could be fun. All right, kind of getting close to the I was gonna say hospital. No, you gotta. Oh, it's cold. Can you see? It's cold. It's like spring, but it's super cold. I don't know what's up. Okay, so I guess that's all in my mind. Let's get to the update. Last time I updated you, last night, going home, but I forgot to release a video yesterday, so I did it this morning. But I didn't miss a day. Didn't miss a day. 107. 160 something days, 170 vlogs, daily vlogs without missing one. That's cool. I like that. So last night, not much to talk about. Ate, took a shower, went to bed. Pretty much. That was it. Today, today, Allan, she woke up super late, so I had the opportunity to play a lot of Rome 2. That's why I'm close to the end of the game. So, not that I don't enjoy spending time with her. I love spending time with her. We are not spending enough time together, just us chilling. This street is very noisy. Just chilling. We need to do that. But I really enjoy playing games. Like, ooh, in my corner over there. It's nice. So that's what I did in the morning, and then normal classes. Oh, other than a zombie entering and just barging into our classroom to scare the students and me as well. We're gonna have the Halloween party, and whenever it's getting close to it, the guys that the school hires to make Halloween scary, they go to the school and scare the students. This one was good. It was probably the scariest one so far, because it was like a doctor zombie with an eye hanging in. Really, really good makeup. So that's the most interesting thing that happened this afternoon. And now I'm going home. Plans: supermarket, stroganoff, and then Cuphead with Gustavo. That's the plan. Because it's been fun, and we gotta continue. We're gonna play. We're gonna finish that game together. And yeah, that's it. Plans for tomorrow. Tomorrow early, I got. Oh yeah, so yesterday I said that maybe I would go to work early this morning. I chose not to, and I made peace with having to go on Friday to finish this. I prefer balance over working too much one day in order not to have to work the other. I don't enjoy that. I'd rather work an okay amount, but every day, rather than too much on one day. So yeah, Friday I'm probably gonna be working. So tomorrow I will work in the morning. Tomorrow is gonna be tough. Yeah, I'll spend the whole day in the school, trying to get everything done, trying to get as much done as possible. Probably not gonna be able to, but oh well. And then in the evening I got the pizza place with the company, so all expenses paid. I'm excited about that. So I'll let you know how it went tomorrow. Thanks everybody for watching. I have been Gareth Mason, and I'll see you the next time I see you. Bye bye.